Prodhikari, your maths teacher. In this class, this is the third video of this chapter. The chapter name is linear equation of one variable. In the previous class, I have solved up to sum number 7. The sum number 8 is for your homework, and today I am going to start from the sum number 9. Okay, the sum number 9. The ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56. What are the present ages? So, here ages are the two persons, Rahul and Harun. Their ages are given in the ratio. In the previous class, I have told that if the ratio or ages or any numbers are given in the ratio, we can take that from that ratio the present age of the 5x and 7x, because 5:7 is the ratio of the present age. That's why 5x and 7x. If 2:3, a ratio of their ages 2:3, we can take 2x and 3x. In the similar manner, that is 5x and 7x. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56. Okay, one thing. After 4 years means, after 4 years, if anyone's age is 12, after 4 years, his age will be 12 plus 4. Anyone's age is 6. Present age is 6. After 4 years, 6 plus 4. So, their present is 5x and 7x. After 4 years, their age will be 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4. And the sum means adding. Sum of their ages will be 56. Sum of ages means which age? That is after 4 years. After 4 years, age will be 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4. Adding these two, sum of the ages of Rahul and Harun equal to 56. Okay, 5x plus 7x, that is 12x. 5 plus 4 plus 4, 8. If I move this 8 in this side, that will be 56 minus 8, that is 48. 12x, 12 is multiplied with the x, and 12 in this side, it will be 48 upon 12. So x equal to 4. X equal to 4. If x equal to 4, the Rahul's present age is 5x. That is 5 into 4, 20, and 7x, 7 into 4, 28. So their present ages are 20. Rahul's age is 20 years and Harun's age is 28 years. Oh. Okay, coming to the next sum, that is sum number 10. The number of boys and girls are in the given ratio 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the girls. What will be the total strength? Total strength means total number of students of these classes. Okay, so number of boys and number of girls are in the ratio. As we know that as ratio is given, so we can take the number of boys 7x and number of girls 5x. One condition is there, the number of boys is 8 more than number of the girls. It means in this class the difference between total number of boys and girls is 8. Number of boys 7x, number of girls 5x. So it means number of boys and girls, difference between number of boys and girls is 8. There are 8 more in number, 8 more students, boy students than girl students. According to the question, as it is given 8. So 7x minus 5x equal to 8. 7x minus 5x, 2x equal to 8. 2 is divided here, that is 4. So boys 7x, 7 into 4, that is 28, and girls. So total strength equal to 28 plus 20, that is 48. Total number of students of this class is 48. In the question number 11, Baichung's father's Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. The sum of their ages of sum of the ages is 135 years. Find their ages. Okay. So here three characters are. First character Baichung, second character Baichung's father, and third character Baichung's grandfather. Now a little bit confusion which will be taken as X. Let's see that the first condition it is given Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung. So the first condition Baichung's grandfather. The first condition two characters are related, that is Baichung's fathers and Baichung grandfathers. In the second condition, and 20 years older than Baichung. It means Baichung father is 20 years older than Baichung. In the second condition, two characters are related, that is Baichung's father and Baichung. So the common character is Baichung fathers. That's why I am taking here, let Baichung father's age is X years. Okay. What will be then Baichung's age? That 29 years older than the Baichung. It means X minus 29 years. And what will be the age of his grandfather? That is Baichung 26. That is Baichung's grandfather age will be 26 years, more than 26 years from his father. That's why X plus 26 years. Now, sum of their ages according to the question, that is Baichung age, Baichung's father's age and Baichung grandfather's age. Sum of their ages, that is 135. 135 is given here. Sum. Okay. Now, X plus X plus X, that is 3X. Minus 29 plus 26. Minus 29 plus 26, that is minus 3. Okay. Now, if 3 change its side, that is 135, it is minus 3. If it move to the other side, it will be plus. So 135 plus 3, that is 138. 3 is multiplied here. In this side, 138 by 3, that is 46. So X equal to 46. I have taken X as Baichung's father's age. That's why Baichung's father's age is X means 46 years, and Baichung age is 46 minus 29, that is 17 years. 17 years, and Baichung's grandfather age is 46 plus 26, that is 26 years, 72 years. So Baichung's age 17 years, Baichung's father's age 46 years, and Baichung's grandfather age is 72 years. Okay, in question number 12, 15 years from Ravi's age will be 4 times of his present age. 4 times of his present age. Okay, what is the Ravi's present age is? So, okay, in the question that is asked Ravi's present age. Ravi's present age, that's why I am taking let the present age of Ravi is X years. X years, okay. Now, after 15 years, his age is 4 times of the present age. After 15 years, his age will be 4 times of present. 4 times now is X. After 15 years, age 4 times of X means 4 into X, that is 4X years. Now that X change into 4X, present age X, and after 15 years, it will be 4X, 4 times of X. So difference between these two, that X becomes 4X after 15 years. So difference between these two is 15. That's why 4X minus X equal to 15, and X 3X equal to 4X minus X. 4X minus X, 4X minus X equal to 15, that is 3X, and X equal to 15 by 3, that equal to 5. So present age of Ravi 5 years, and after 15 years, his age will be 4 into 5, that is 20. So difference between 5 and 20, that is 15 years. So answer is Ravi's present age is 5 years. Question number 13. A rational number is such that when you multiply by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3 to the product, you get minus 7 by 12. What is the number? Rational number means, what is the rational number? Rational number means those numbers which can be expressed as p by q form, where p, q are integer and q not equal to 0. That means all fractions. All integers are also rational number. Okay. So I am taking the number as that required rational number is x. Okay. If that is x, and if you multiply 5 by 2, 5 by 2 multiply, it means if x is multiplied by 2, 5 by 2, that will be 5x by 2. X into 5, 5x, 1 into 2. So that is in 5 by 2, 5x by 2, and then add 2 by 3 with the result. What is the result? Result is 5x by 2, and adding 2 by 3, that is the main, that is the result, or after adding 2 by 3 of the product. So according to question, after multiplying 5 by 2 then add 2 by 3, we get minus 7 by 12. That is our linear equation. We have to solve this equation. Okay. Now move 2 by 3 in this side, the sign is plus, in this side it will be minus. After adding, we get 5x by 2 equal to minus 15 by 12. 5 by 2 is multiplied with the x. If I change its side to in this side, it will be, if a by b x equal to c, x equal to just c into b by a. Here 5 by 2 means minus 15 by 12, 2 by 5, that equal to minus 3 by 6 equal to minus 1 by 2. So our required number is minus 1 by 2. It is our answer.